this is going to be the first thing what we're going to do. We're going to look at the blueberries and see. It's Monday morning. Let's start the new month with some healthy recipes and some healthy smoothies in the Monday morning. All right. Still part of summer. Summer is not over yet. All right. So that's the blueberry. Alright, I'm gonna be using this one. Hope you guys can see. It's a little bit white, but it's fine. Because of the kind of stuff we're blending inside of it. So that's the blueberry right here. So I just put the blueberry inside of it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 1 finger of ripe banana. Put that straight inside of it like this. Alright, lovely. So once I put the blueberry, there are a few things which I'm going to put also inside of it. All right, I'm going to put some flaxseed, and flaxseed is just natural. You don't have to if you don't have it, but if you have it, I would encourage you. You can put some inside of it. And you don't have to use too much. Roughly about 1 teaspoon is going to be enough. So this smoothie is something which can also fill you right up, guys, right? You know what I mean? Yeah. Also, I like to put some trace seeds in it. Trace seeds, sorry, I think I said trace seeds. Trace seeds inside of it. All right, that's gonna bring in a nice, lovely flavor to it also. You're not gonna use too much. Roughly about 1/4 teaspoon is enough. So if you want to add some oats, you can also add a teaspoon of oats to it, because, you know what I mean, oats will also help you to fill it up quickly. 1 teaspoon of oats. And all of those recipe is just simple little recipe where you guys can use at home. Now, I got a medium-sized mango, which I'm also going to be using. But before we go to the mango, before I forgot, I got some apple cider vinegar, which I'm going to put inside of it. So the apple cider vinegar will just help to tone down the sweetness of all of those ingredients. Mitchy Boo, thank you so much. So we're going to add roughly about 1/2 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar inside of it, all right? Lovely. Secondly, we're just gonna add a little bit of ginger inside of it, ginger powder inside of it. All right. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the skin from the mango. All right, we're gonna remove the skin from the mango, all right? I don't think you guys want to see how to remove the skin from the mango, but just to make you guys see what I'm doing, because this is, you don't have to use a knife. You can also use a peeler to remove the skin from the mango. But if you know exactly what you are doing, then you can use the knife. All right, you can use a peeler. So if you have a very good knife, then this is what you can do. right? So as you guys see, all right. But that's the thing, when you have a good knife, it's so easy to do it. But I want to encourage you to put it on a cutting board when you're doing this, all right, guys? You don't want to do what Chef Ricardo been doing. So if you have a sharp knife, that's what happened. So just do the job. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use roughly about half of the mango inside of it. All right, roughly about half a mango is pretty good. All right, so we use roughly about a half of the mango, which is amazing. Now, the honest truth with you guys, you can use water or you can use milk. Now, if you're allergic to milk like me, I'm allergic to milk, so what I have to do, I have to use water. But if you're not allergic to milk, you can, use milk. Almond milk, whatever kind of milk you're happy to use, you can use it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this. All right, we're gonna blend it and make a little bit of a noise. So roughly about half cups of water is enough. Lovely. So this is beautiful, guys. Let's take a look. All right, let's pour it out. So this is such a beautiful recipe to have in the morning for breakfast. All right, and that's what I was talking about earlier, what you can make for breakfast in the morning. All right, guys.